Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device is signed into the Google account you want to share from. This affects install behavior. Once signed in, open the Play Store app or visit Play. Google, com on a browser. Next, search for the app by name or tap your library if it's already installed. This puts you directly on the app's detail page, which is the source of the share link you will copy and send. On the app's detail page, tap the share icon. It's usually near the top or in the overflow menu, and choose Copy to Clipboard or Copy Link. This creates a stable Play Store URL. If you're on a browser, select the address bar and copy the full URL. Make sure the link includes the package name. That guarantees it points to the correct app. Once copied, the link is ready to paste into Messages, email, or social. Paste the copied Play Store link into your chosen messaging app, email, or social post and send. Simple as that. Before finalizing, test the link yourself to confirm it opens the app's page on another device or in a browser. If the recipient reports an error, make sure the package name is intact and there are no extra characters. If problems persist, repeat the share or copy steps from the Play Store app and resend the fresh link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.